Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel The Beauty Bliss. So those who are seeing me for the first time, let me introduce myself. My name is Aishwarya and I usually create videos related to skincare, makeup and product reviews. So if your interest is in such type of content, make sure you hit the subscribe button and bell icon beside it so that you get notification of my every new videos. So let's talk about today's video. Today's video is going to be a product review video and the product that I'm going to review are from Bella Vita Organics. So without wasting any time, let's get on to the video. So before I begin with the review part, let me give an idea about this brand. This brand provides wide range of skincare products at affordable price range, and you will get every solution for your all beauty and skin concern from this brand, and every product that they provide are made up of organic and 100% natural ingredients. So now let's see what I have got from this brand. So these are the two products that I've got from this brand. So first I'll be talking about this product. The name of this product is Bella Vita Organics Nicobalm. You can see this comes in a box type of packaging and the main product comes inside this box. This is how the product looks like. So first we'll see what things are mentioned in this box. So the quantity of the product you get is 7 grams. The key ingredients are shea butter, avocado and vitamin E. It also consists of its manufacturing date and expiry date. It was manufactured on November 2020 and it will get expired after 18 months of its manufacturing date. And also it has price which is of 399 rupees. You can buy this product online on Amazon or from bellavitaorganic.com. I'll mention the link of this website in my description box below, so make sure you check that out. Now we'll see how this product looks from inside. So this is how the product looks. You can see this is a complete transparent lip balm. There is no color or artificial color added in this lip balm. See, it's complete transparent. So this lip balm has a sweet vanilla kind of fragrance which I really like about this product. So let me tell you the benefit of using this lip balm. This lip balm will always protect your lips from getting dry and it will keep your lips always moisturized and hydrated. And when to use this lip balm, you should use this lip balm before applying makeup, before smoking and before having coffee. It will help to prevent darkening of lips. That was all about the Nicobalm. Now let's move on to the next product, and here is the next product. The name of this product is Bella Vita Organic Toner. Basically it's a rose water toner. First let's see the packaging of this product. Again, this comes in a box type of packaging and it has all design of rose all over the box, and let's see what things are mentioned on this box. So first they have mentioned the key ingredients. It has rose, cucumber and aloe vera, and the quantity you get is 200 ml. It also has its manufacturing date and expiry date. It was manufactured in December 2020 and it will get expired after 18 months. So the MRP of this is 399 rupees. Again, you can buy from the same site that I will mention in the description box below. According to me, the application of this product is easy and hassle free, because whenever you want to use this product, you just have to spray it on your face and you're done. And the fragrance of this is amazing. It has a light rose kind of fragrance. And now let's move on to the benefits of using this toner. According to the bottle, they have mentioned it will help to minimize the pore, it will hydrate your skin and brighten up your face, and also will help to balance pH level. Ingredients that are used in this product, which is rose, aloe vera and cucumber. The rose will help to tone and balance your skin. Cucumber will cleanse and brighten up your skin, and aloe vera will soothe and calm your skin. So these are the few benefits of the ingredients that are used in this product, and this is how this product will help your skin to get more better in complexion, and as well as it will provide a good refreshing effect to your skin. So when to apply this toner? You can apply this toner before makeup as a base. After you clean your face, you can just apply at that time also, and whenever you skin feels dull or tired, you just have to spray a few pumps of it on your face and it will provide an instant refreshment to your face by adding up glow and hydration. It absorbs quickly into your skin and it does not make your skin feel oily at all. Both the products that I have shown today are sulfate and paraben free, and both the products are not tested on animals. So that was all about the Glowner. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this review video. If you do like this video, make sure you hit the like button and share this video with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get notification of my every such new videos like this. So see you next time in another video. Till then, bye.